Let's look at prime factorization. Let's say we wanted to find the factors, the prime factors of 12. So prime factorization, the first thing you do is look for a factor pair. Now we know that there's several numbers that will get us 12. We could do 3 times 4, we could do 2 times 6, we could do 1 times 12. Of these choices, I want to either go with 3 times 4 or 2 times 6. I don't want to go with 1 times 12 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So in prime factorization, we never use 1 as one of the factor pairs. Let's say we went 3 times 4. Once I've listed those factor pairs, the next thing I want to do is ask myself, are either of those prime? In which case, I'm going to underline them if they are. 3 is prime. It only has 2 factors. Prime numbers always have exactly 2 factors. No more, no less. The only 2 numbers that go into 3 are 1 and 3. So it's prime. 4 is not, because I know that 2 times 2 also equals 4. Both 2 and 2 are also prime, so I'm going to underline those. So now I have, and I know that they're prime because 2 times 1 are the only 2 factors of 2. So for my prime factorization of 12, I write 2 times 2 times 3. All of my underlined numbers are there, and I put them from smallest numbers to biggest. Sometimes you'll be asked to put prime factorization using exponents, in which case you go 2 to the second power times 3. And I have prime factorization using exponents. Let's try a little bit bigger number this time. Let's go 24. There's lots of different numbers that go into 24. How about if we try 6 times 4? Looking at them, I ask myself, is either 6 or 4 prime? And I say, no, neither one is prime. So I know I have to branch both these out again and find factors. 6. I have 2 times 3 equals 6. Both of those are prime, so I underline both. 4 has 2 factor pairs. 2 times 2. Both are prime. So for my prime factorization of 24, I write 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And I list these small numbers first and working my way to bigger ones. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Now I'm just going to try and do it with exponents. So I know there's 3 2's, so 2 to the third power times 3. And there I finished prime factorization with exponents.